What in the fuck, dude? Holy shit! Jesus fuck, man.
He is retiring. Well, he's going to go work in the local water plant, which I say smart. If you're at a certain age and you're still working at Swap and Shop Radio, it's time to go get a real job.
Biggest fucking cocksucker on the road that night. Oh my god, a broke down Dodge Viper in the middle of fucking I-25, man. No. Oh, fuck. That is horrible. Oh my god! Holy fuck! Oh god damn it. That's it. This is the shit that I'm talking about right here, man. Holy fuck! What the fuck? What the fuck is this guy pointing at, dude? What's that guy doing, man? He's still pointing like that. We're just gonna stop in the middle of fucking roads in this town, man. That's what we're gonna do. Bang. Now, he didn't stop for the fucking stop sign. This guy's a fucking tool bag, man. That kid is fucking weird looking. I don't give a fuck. Holy shit, look at this! Oh, cell phone! Jesus Christ! Is he gonna stop? God damn, that's how people die on the sidewalk, man. The cop just missed it. Son of a bitch.